Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I'm home alone today. My wife is out in her village and stuff, so I'm alone today, family. I just actually, family, finished watching Dee Mwango's recent videos. Dee Mwango recent video with Kino in Jamaica, family. And I'm so embarrassed. And as you know, family, as a Jamaican, and Kino is a Jamaican, and I don't know if you know what Dee Mwango's, do to me here in Kenya, family. So, family, I just wanna eat this mango, sit and chat with you a little about the situation, and share with you guys, my thoughts on the entire situation and why Kino should run, chew her out, dash her out. Dee Mwango is not somebody for you to spend a long time around with, and I can feel energy. I'm a Jamaican, I know Jamaican vibes. I can feel his energy, family, that his time has expired and he don't feel good around her no more, because as you know, once you cannot support Dee Mwango, buy food for her and do things for her, she not gonna respect you. And the last video, you can see that she not have no respect for Kino family. So let's discuss and talk about this. Let me grab my chair, eat this mango while we chat. Yeah, family, let's enjoy this mango while I have a conversation with you guys. And just to let you guys know that, as a man, you have to look out for other men, because we actually go to the same experience with women, and we have to actually pass on knowledge and help our brothers to be smart, and for these women not to use us and abuse us in the end, family. So I just recently watched the video, family, and into the last at the end, family, this is what
alright guys, so that has been it. That has been my day today. I'm really enjoying Jamaica. I'm loving it, living my dream, and I hope you also enjoying the videos. So that will be it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and let me know what you'd love to see from me, because your wish is my command. Alright, sending you love and greetings from the countryside of Jamaica. And also don't forget to check out my cameraman of the day. Big up yourself, man.
You big now, you.
Let me hold it for you then.
Come on, you can say it. You just say it.
Huh?
Just say it.
Huh?
Just say it.
Okay. So guys, special shout out to the cameraman of today, Kino Life in Jamaica. Please check him out. The link is in the description. Subscribe to his channel. Let's get him to 50k subscribers. Alright guys, and I wanna see you on my next video. Meanwhile, I just keep enjoying Jamaica.
Let's see if we can find Kino link in the description. Let's see.
Let's
see. Where's the link in the description? Where it is? Where is the link in the description? Dee Mwango is doing, family. She's scamming Kino and you don't even know that. You know what I mean? Imagine, family, I want to go back and check the video if Kino link is in that video, family. The link is very important for you to be holding the camera, for her, for the entire time in Jamaica, and your link is not in the description. 10 years from now, when people go and watch that video, they won't actually go and subscribe to your video. People nowadays is very attention span is very short. And even though somebody say subscribe to my channel Kino Roll, sometimes somebody don't even know the spelling and thing, and them kind of time to look on it and like. But if the link is in the description, that is what is important, family. So I want you guys to go and watch that video and tell me. I didn't see Kino YouTube link in that video. I never see where she said tell somebody to subscribe to Kino channel. You know what I mean? And I never liked the way how she laugh and how she say it. My cameraman and these things. It looks very disrespectful, and I can see that she don't respect Kino no more. And I can feel the vibe of Kino that he is actually very, unpleasant around her, and he's like he don't want to do the video, family. And she's laughing and she's making fun and joke. And Kino, I hope you watch this video, and I hope you can actually, think about, what is happening around you, and you can tell yourself that it's not right, and it's time for you to move away, because you're gonna get used and abused, and you're gonna actually reach a spot, reach a place where a subscriber then come over to your channel, and you know, if you ever decide to leave, and that's what she's doing right now. She's actually giving you these subscribers just for a short time. But once you decide to say, hey, I have my business to do, I kind of sit down with you and hold. I'm sure Kino in Jamaica, you know what I mean, he have him life to live, he have him job to do, and you can't stick around with Dee Mwango every day making video as a cameraman. That's very disrespectful. She not even come out and say, oh, I really appreciate Kino. He left what he's doing and he come to help me with this video and stuff. And just imagine Kino as a man. You know what I mean? Even if you're sleeping with Dee Mwango, if you're sleeping with a woman and she's talking and laughing like that around you and camera, that's not a good sign. You know what I mean? Even though you're sleeping with her and stuff, you know, she's supposed to respect you in a certain way. You know what I mean? She's supposed to give you a respectable shout out and say, I'm so, grateful for Kino. He's like a lifesaver. People subscribe to him, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be doing this video right now. That's the type of recognition you should be getting, my brother. So if you're not getting that type of recognition, you know that she's just using you and she's just selling you a false lie, because the link is not in the description. When I watch the video, the link is not there, and I want people to go. All of the videos that she's doing in Jamaica is Kino is behind the camera, and his link is not. For this one, the link is not there, but I want people to check the other videos and comment in this video and let me know if Kino link is actually in those video family. And as a Jamaican, you know what I mean, as a Jamaican, strong passion we have for other Jamaican, you know what I mean, it's just speak volume. I don't think there's no other country that is patriotic like Jamaica, and you know what I mean, and we stand up for our Jamaicans no matter what. You know, we stand up for our Jamaicans. So for all of the Jamaicans that's here, I don't think maybe you're a Jamaican, you know what I mean? Because if you watch the video and see what Dee Mwango do to Jam Tours and you support her, I don't think you're a Jamaican, because there's no Jamaicans I know would actually watch Dee Mwango do that to Jamaica. I know we are all, Africans and stuff, and you know what I mean, but life is reality. People do people bad, and not because you're the African and you're this is supposed to actually allow people to take advantage of you and actually take your things and laugh and talk about it and say nothing about it. You go online, you're making your videos and happy, and while you dupe somebody, from Jamaica, and in the country, you know what I mean. So, you know what I mean, I'm just making this video, guys, to let Kino know that it's time for him to lift up, you know what I mean, and just go and do your thing, because at the end of the day, you know what I mean, you're not getting the right shout out that you're supposed to get in. I can see that you're disturbed, that you're off balance, you're off key, because Jamaicans don't behave like that. Worse when they say water, worse when they in nature and stuff. You know what I mean? It's like, you know what I mean? So it's time for you to actually lift up Kino, because Dee Mwango is just using you right now, and it's time for you to see that and know that. And I know maybe if you see that, you're kind of scared to move away, because you say, oh, our subscriber, them all come from me and unsubscribe and stuff. But don't watch that. You have to do what you have to do as a man, and you can't make Dee Mwango use you out in Jamaica. She'll be there for a very long time, and it's you gonna get hurt. In the long run, it's you gonna get burned, because she's using you to make all the videos, to get all the views, to make all the YouTube money, and you know what I mean. And I'm sure she's gonna be maybe tight and giving you money and stuff or whatever it is, because at the end of the day, Dee Mwango is all in for who can actually, you know what I mean, take care of her in a country. So don't be surprised she actually, even though maybe you and her are sleeping together or whatever, I don't know, you know what I mean, but don't be surprised you see she chatting with other man, sending her money and sending her things and stuff. That's how she behave, I'm telling you. So if you feel like you can have a thing with Dee Mwango, don't even think about it, because you know what I mean, based on how she talking about you and laughing and all kind of things, she don't respect you. And calling you a cameraman is very disrespectful. It just make it look like say she's somebody, you somebody that she paid, and she don't pay you. So how can she call you a cameraman and she don't pay you? That's a thing. If you're calling somebody a cameraman, I'm paying you to do the job so I can use my employee. I'm sure she's not paying you. For all of these videos that you do with her, she didn't pay you. And if she paid it with something else, and it's nothing that gonna take you nowhere. And maybe you get enough fight now, so it's time for you to move on, and that's what it is, because you know what I mean, it's just what it is. Just that you're gonna stay with her, spend 3 months in Jamaica and make nothing. You know what I mean? When she done, she leave you high and dry with all the subscribers and all the views and all the YouTube money. You know what I mean? And she come back, give it to her brother and stuff like that. So Kino, it's time for you to wake up, and it's time for you to have a wake up call, soul search and looking at yourself. I know that Dee Mwango, I can see the energy, I can based on your body language, I know how you're talking now, you realize that, you know, your time expire and it's time for you to move on, because, you know what I mean, it's not gonna go nowhere with her, because this is the type of person she is. Yeah, family, I talk so much I never get to enjoy my mango. Yeah, family, so like, share and comment. Please share your thoughts on this video, and you know, let me know if it's right for somebody to give somebody a shout out like that, so disrespectful, so jokey, so laughy, like the person is not important, and the person is the one that is very important for helping you, you know what I mean, bring you into the spot, let you into his network, you know what I mean, allowing you to meet people that can actually give you the content. Kino should be praised, you should be bowing down and kissing Kino foot. You should be, every video Kino should get a praise and praise of praise. He's driving, you know what I mean, all over the country in Jamaica, and you're treating the man like that. That's very disrespectful, and I don't like the way how she giving you that shout out, Kino. So, you know what I mean, and that's the thing, Dee Mwango, if you don't deal with her like a businesswoman, you will be scammed. So you have to deal with her like a business. You cannot talk, oh, it's just a YouTuber subscriber, oh, she come from Africa, let's help her out and stuff. At the end of the day, you know what I mean, that those things just last for a few days. But after it start turning into weeks and months, it start become a business now, Kino, because you're not gonna benefit from this. Is she the only one gonna benefit? You know what I mean? She should be paying you, you know what I mean? If you even sleep with her a few times, you know, you should change the game on her and say, listen to me now, it's time for payment. You have to pay me now for this. I want a cut out of the YouTube money. I want this because, you know, I'm doing this. YouTube videos will be paying you for a lifetime. And I don't want to leave high and dry after putting all this work. I won't be getting nothing. And I can't come and say nothing, because if I come and talk, you know what I mean, your subscribers are going to unsubscribe from me and stuff. And, you know, I'll be left high and dry. Yeah, family. So comment below, family. Let me know if that's the right gesture to give somebody a shout out, if that's the correct way. And let me know, family. If you see the link in the description and that video, let me know. I didn't see it when I checked. Let me know. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, family. You know what I mean? Like, share, and comment. And if you're first time you're watching this video, go and check out my previous video that will let you know why I'm reacting on Dee Mwango. I was scammed out of my apartment here in Nairobi, and that's the reason why I'm speaking out, so other men don't get scammed. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm out. One love, Jamaica.